Hello children, welcome back to Maths class. I am your Maths teacher Sandhya from Bharathidasan Matriculation Higher Secondary School, going to teach 4th standard Maths 4th lesson. So what is our 4th lesson name? Very good, our 4th lesson name is division. So what is mean by division? Division means it is equal sharing or repeated subtraction of the same number. In division terms we have some names, right? That is dividend, divisor, quotient and then a remainder. So what is meant by dividend here? Very good, the greater number. The number to be divided is called the dividend and then divisor. The number by which we divide is called the divisor. The second number, that is table, is called the divisor and the answer is called the quotient, and finally remainder is called the number left over is called the remainder. So in this and all we have seen in last session itself, and now today we are going to see find the quotient and the remainder as well as taking division. Now tell me Kiran, what is taking division formula? Very good, dividend equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. So listen here. So first topic, find the quotient and remainder and also check the answer. Here we have a dividend value and divisor value. What is dividend value? The dividend value is 4, 1, 2, 3. And what is divisor value? The table is 3 table. So listen here. Take a 4, 1, 2, 3. 4, 1, 2, 3 and divided by 3. Here our table is 3 table, it is very easy table. Okay, so let me start from 3 zeros or onwards, right? 3 zeros are 0, next 3 ones are 3, that is 3 times of 1 are 1 times of 3. So 3 ones are 3 and next 3 twos are 6, then 3 threes are 9, then 3 fours are 12. So listen here children, first we have 3 one digit number. Inside in dividend you should take the first number 3 and then 4. Now we are going to check 3 table 4 or not. Okay, so now we are going to check 4 is there? No, 4 is not there. We have 3 and then 6. Here we are going to take the smaller number. The smaller number value is 3 ones are 3. So why? Because division is here repeated subtraction. So while subtracting time in down we need to write the smaller number. Appo the quotient value is 1 threes are 3. 1 threes are 3. Now we are going to subtract this. What is the answer? 4 minus 3. Just show your 4 fingers and fold 3 fingers. Remaining we have 1. So the answer is 1. Now you should bring down our next number 1. Now tell me Nasri, 3 table have 11? No, it is not there. 3 table have 12 and then 9. So here we are going to take the smaller number. The smaller number value is 3 threes are 9. So you should write the quotient value 3 threes are 9. Now we are going to subtract this. Now 1 minus 9 is possible? It is not possible. Why? Because 1 is the smaller number and 9 is the greatest number. Here we are going to get borrow from the before value. So 1 it will change into 11. In this one it will change into 0. Now 11 minus 9. What is the answer? 11 minus 9? 9 after 10, 11. So we have 2 is the answer. Write 2. Next we should bring down another 2. Now we are going to check 3 fours are 12 and then 3 fives are 15. The next one 3 6 are. So what is the answer? 3 6 are. What is the answer Nasreen? 3 6 are. That is 3 times of 6 are 6 times of 3. So 3 6 are. The answer is 18. And next one 3 sevens are. So 3 sevens are 21 and 3 eights are 24. So listen here children, now we are going to check 20 table, 22 and then 3 table. So whether 22 is have or not. So it is not there. 3 table have 21 and then 24. Okay, here we are going to take the smaller number, that is 21. Totally how many times is going? 7 3s are 21. So the quotient value is 7 and write 7 3s are 21. Now we are going to subtract this. What is the answer? 2 minus 1. Very good. The answer is 1. Then we should bring down next 3. Now we are going to check in 3 table of 13 or not. 3 table of 13? No, it is not there. 3 table of 12 and then 15. Here we are going to take and write the smaller number. The smaller number is 12. So how many times? Totally 4 times. So write 4 3s are 12. Now we are going to subtract this. 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Here after we don't have any number, so stop this. Now write the quotient value and then a remainder value. What is the quotient value? The answer is called the quotient. The quotient value is 1374 and the remainder value is 1. Now we are going to do the checking division. Tell me Deepak, what is the formula for checking division? The formula is dividend equal to quotient into, what is that? Divisor plus remainder. Okay, dividend equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Here the quotient value is 1374. So write 1374. Next the divisor value. So divisor is called the tables. What is the table here we have? We have the table is 3. So write multiply by 3 plus, what is the remainder value? In remainder value we got 1. So write 1 here. Now take 3 and multiply by all the number. What is the answer? 3 4s are 12, carry 1. 3 7s are 21. So keep 21 in the mind, 1 in the finger. So what is the answer? The answer is 22. Write 2, carry 2. And next one, 3 3s are 9. So keep 9 in the mind, 2 in the finger. So 9 after 10, 11. Here we got 2-digit number. Write 1 and remaining 1. Next you take 3 1s are. So what is the answer, Nasreen? 3 1s are? Very good dear. 3 1s are 3. So keep 3 in the mind, 1 in the finger. So 3 after 4. We got the answer 4122. What is the answer? 4122 plus 1. Now we are going to add this. So 22 plus 1, the answer is 23. The final answer is 4123. What is the final answer? 4123. That is dividend. You all know what is dividend. The number to be divided is called the dividend, or else the greater number is called the dividend. Now listen children, here the greater number value is 4123. So here too we got 4123. So our checking division is correct. Next we will see the another example. Listen here. Our next question is 1954 is divided by 7 table. 1954 is divided by 7. Take 1954. Take 1954 divided by 7. Here we have the table is 7 table. So you should start from 7 table. 7 zeros are onwards. So what is the answer? 7 zeros are? Very good. So 7 zeros are? The answer is 0. And next one, 7 ones are? What is the answer? 7 ones are? 7 ones are? The answer is 7. Next we will take 7 twos are. So tell me Nasreen, what is the answer? 7 twos are? That is 7 times of 2 are 2 times of 7. So the answer is 14. Very good. Right? 7 twos are 14. And next one is 7 threes are. What is the answer? 7 threes are? 7 3s are 21. So take and write 7 3s are 21 and 7 4s are 28. So listen children, now here we have 7, one digit number. In inside, in dividend also you should take a 1. Now we are going to check whether 7 table have 1 or not. No, 7 table have 0 and then 7. So 0 how many times? First 0 7s are 0. So take 0 7s are 0. Now we are going to subtract this. What is the answer? 1 minus 0. Very good. The answer is 1. Then we should bring down 9. Now we are going to check a 7 table, 19 have or not. So listen my children, in 7 table we have 14 is there, 21 is there. Now tell me Nasreen, what number need to take here? Very good, we need to take the smaller number. Okay, so take 2 7s are 14. 2 7s are 14. Now you subtract this. What is the answer? 9 minus 4. Just show your 9 fingers and fold 4 fingers. Remaining you have 5 fingers. So the answer is 5. Then we'll bring down next number. So listen here children. Here 1 minus 1 is 0. So you don't do this. Okay. Next take as 55. 7 4s are 28. And next one is 7 5s are 35. 7 6 are. So how many? What is the answer? 7 6 are. 7 6 are. The answer is 42. So write the answer 42 and then 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56 and 7 9s are 63. Now we are going to check in 7 table 55 have or not. So listen children, in 7 table we have 49 is there, 56 is there. So we will take the smaller number 49. So what is the quotient value? The quotient value is 7. Write 7 7s are 49. Now we are going to subtract this. So take a 1's place value and 10's place value. Here the 1's place value is 5 minus 11. So 5 minus 7 is not possible, right? Why? Because 5 is the smallest number, 9 is the greatest number. Here we are going to get borrow from the before number. So 5 it will change into 15 and in this 5 it will change into 4. Now we are going to subtract 15 minus 9. Just put 15 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and next one 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and subtract 9 lines. Okay, strike out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you count a remaining how many lines are there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. What is the answer? The answer is 6. Next 4 minus 4, the answer is 0. Next you should bring down the another number 4. Now we are going to check whether 7 table have 64 or not. No, 7 table don't have 64. We'll take a 7 9s are 63. We'll take 7 9s are 63. Next 7 10s are 70. So take the smaller number. Here what is the quotient value? Very good. The quotient value is 9. Take 9 7s are 63. Now you subtract this. 4 minus 3, the answer is 1. So after we don't have any number, so stop this. Write the quotient value and then a remainder value. What is the quotient value here we have? We have the quotient value is 279 and the remainder value is 1. 279 and the remainder value is 1. Now we are going to do the checking division. Now tell me Deepak, what is the formula for checking division? Very good my dear. The formula for checking division is dividend equal to quotient multiplied by divisor plus a remainder. So write the formula. Dividend equal to checking division. Dividend equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Okay, so what is the quotient value here we have? the quotient value is 279. Write 279 multiplied by divisor. So, the divisor value is 7. Write 7 and then the remainder value is 1. Now, you take 7 and multiply by all the number. 7 9s are, 7 7s are, 7 2s are. Now, tell me Krish, what is the answer 7 9s are? 7 9s are, the answer is 63. Okay. So, here we got 2-digit number 63. In this 3, you are going to write under the 1's column and 6 will be in the 10's column. Now, take a 7 7s are. What is the answer 7 7s are? The answer is 49. So, keep 49 in the mind, 6 in the finger. So, 49 after 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So, the answer is 55. Write 5 and then carry 5. Next, take a 7 2s are. What is the answer 7 2s are? 7 2s are 14. So, keep 14 in the mind, 5 in the finger. So, 14 after 15, 16, 17, 18, then 19. So, the answer is 19,953 plus 1, 1954. 1954. So, this is dividend. What is this? This is dividend. So, listen children, here we have the dividend value is 1954. Listen children, in this session you have learned find the quotient and remainder and also checking the division. So, you all know what is the formula for checking division, that is dividend equal to quotient multiplied by divisor plus a remainder. So, I hope everyone enjoyed this section. In this below description, we have got a study material, question bank and then self-assessment work. So, my dear students, do all the self-assessment as well as exercise problem. If you have any doubt, just go through this video. Thank you.